Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Blueshadow Wireless WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Blueshadow Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. On your main Wi-Fi router, look for a button labeled WPS, sometimes shown as two curved arrows forming a circle or a lock symbol with wireless waves. It might be on the back or side of the router. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. A WPS LED will usually start blinking on the router, meaning it's searching for a device to connect to. You have 2 minutes to connect your extender before WPS mode on the router turns off automa. Within those 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on your Blueshadow extender for about 2 seconds. The WPS LED or signal LED on the extender will begin blinking, showing it's trying to connect. In about 20 to 40 seconds, the extender's WPS/signal LED should turn solid green or blue, depending on the model. This means the extender is now connected to your router. If the light keeps blinking or turns red, the connection failed. Repeat the process. Unplug the extender and move it to a location about halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Make sure the signal LED stays green. If it turns red or low, move the extender closer to the router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.